My name's Hayden Smith. I'm the founding trustee of the Sea Cleaners Trust. We've been out cleaning up our waters since 2002 on a full-time basis with boats, going out, picking up rubbish, cleaning up the coast, engaging communities to get people out to help us, one, clean up the place, but also to understand what their actions are having on the land, so hopefully we can turn the tide on how much plastic and trash is entering our oceans. With the Bay of Islands Sea Week coming on right now, it's a perfect opportunity for us to educate a wider community, again, ocean-loving people that are out here sailing on a regular basis, to hopefully be able to help us out with their decisions about when they go into a local bay. They go ashore and clean it up, but they also think about their own waste and making sure that they're securing their loads, not losing anything over the side, as well as just trying to eliminate single-use plastics out of their lives as much as possible. That's really what we're trying to seek and trying to look for. What we're trying to encourage people to do is actually, when they're on the land, stop and pick up one piece of trash a day. If we can encourage people to create that type of habit, we're going to see a much cleaner ocean, because everything that's on the land, after the next big rain, everything goes down through the stormwater system and out to sea. So if we can care for our land, we're going to help care for the sea on the back end of it.